Harsh and abrasive environments are found across a number of industries. Machinery and equipment in these industries are subject to high levels of wear as part of the manufacturing, transportation and solids handling processes. When downtime needs to be kept to a minimum, damaged equipment needs a fast yet long-term repair solution, ready to tackle the harshest of environments. Introducing Belzona 1818, a fast-curing, surface-tolerant, abrasion-resistant system designed for patch and emergency repairs on surfaces subject to high erosion. With built-in surface-tolerant technology, Belzona 1818 can bond tenaciously to steel substrates, even when surface preparation is minimal, or if the substrate is contaminated with oil or water. Supplied as a two-part system, Belzona 1818 is easy to mix with a mixing ratio of 3 parts base, 2 parts solidifier by volume. The vivid blue colour provides excellent contrast in poorly lit areas and against dark surfaces. Once a uniform colour has been achieved, the material is ready for application. Belzona 1818 can be applied without the need for specialist tools. With fast curing properties, a quick return to service is guaranteed, keeping downtime to an absolute minimum. Belzona 1818 can be applied directly onto manually prepared, wet or oil-contaminated surfaces. The material can even be applied underwater. Belzona 1818 has been tested to the highest standards, ensuring abrasion resistance for the long term. Belzona 1818 is the latest innovation in abrasion resistance systems, providing a fast cure, surface-tolerant technology and excellent abrasion resistance. For more information, visit belzona.com/1818.